everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the elegant and ever-evolving world of Scandinavian design and automotive safety with the 2026 Volvo XC60. Known for its perfect balance of luxury, practicality, and technology, the new XC60 takes things up a notch in every area from design and comfort to performance and sustainability. Let's explore what makes this compact luxury SUV one of the most refined choices in its segment. Body panels. The 2026 XC60 retains its confident stance but now looks sharper and more streamlined. Volvo's use of lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel in the body panels enhances rigidity while reducing overall weight, resulting in better fuel efficiency and improved safety. Clean lines, minimalistic contours, and flush door handles offer a sense of understated luxury. A redesigned shoulder line runs from the hood to the taillights, creating a cohesive and elegant visual flow. Headlights. Up front, the XC60 features next-gen LED pixel headlights with the brand signature Thor's Hammer DRL, now sleeker and more dynamic. These adaptive headlights adjust automatically to traffic and weather conditions, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. They're not just smart, they're beautiful. Subtle animations play when unlocking or locking the car, adding a premium and personal touch. Taillights. The C-shaped LED taillights are a Volvo classic, and in the 2026 XC60, they've been refined for a more modern, layered look. Enhanced with dynamic turn signals and soft start illumination, they're not just safer but visually striking. An updated light bar that stretches across the rear gives the XC60 a more planted and wider appearance from behind. Grille. Volvo embraces a clean, electrified future with a newly redesigned grille. In hybrid and electric models, a partially closed grille improves aerodynamics while still retaining Volvo's timeless elegance. The signature iron mark logo has been updated to sit flush and now features illumination for select trims, adding a subtle yet striking nighttime presence. Seats. Inside, the XC60 is a masterclass in comfort. The ergonomically contoured seats, available in Nappa leather or eco-friendly Nordica material, provide exceptional support for long drives. Heated, ventilated, and massaging functions are available for both front and rear passengers. The cabin design emphasizes relaxation, with soft textures, premium stitching, and the kind of craftsmanship you expect from Scandinavian design. Dashboard. The dashboard is sleek and horizontally oriented, creating an open and airy feel. Minimalist design meets premium materials, including natural wood inlays, recycled aluminum, and soft-touch vegan leather surfaces. An intuitive layout ensures that everything you need is within easy reach, while ambient lighting adds warmth and sophistication, especially during night drives. Infotainment system. At the center of it all is the updated 12.9-inch vertical touchscreen, powered by Google built-in, offering seamless access to Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. It also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new, faster processor ensures ultra-smooth performance, while over-the-air updates keep the system future-ready. The available Bowers-Wilkins premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall with rich, immersive sound. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is a minimalist 3-spoke design, wrapped in soft leather and optionally heated. Integrated haptic buttons allow for seamless control over audio, cruise functions, and safety systems. It's also part of the XC60's driver monitoring system, which uses sensors in the wheel and cameras to ensure the driver is alert, to adding another layer of intelligent safety. Engine. The 2026 XC60 offers several powertrain options, but all of them emphasize efficiency and smooth power delivery. The base model comes with a 2.0 liters turbocharged mild hybrid engine, producing around 250 horsepower. Thanks to Volvo's 48 volts mild hybrid tech, the XC60 benefits from smoother stop-start operation and improved fuel economy, making it ideal for both city and highway driving. Hybrid option. The highlight is the XC60 Recharge, a plug-in hybrid that combines turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering up to 455 horsepower and a blistering 0-60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. With a larger battery pack, the 2026 model offers an electric-only range of up to 55 miles, perfect for daily commuting without using a drop of gas. Charging is faster than before, with compatibility for both Level 2 and DC fast chargers. Airbags. Volvo continues its tradition of leading safety with a comprehensive airbag system. It includes dual-stage front airbags, side impact airbags, side curtain airbags for both rows, and an innovative pedestrian airbag system for front impacts. New for 2026 is an interior radar system that can detect forgotten occupants or pets in the car and alert the driver or emergency services, adding a groundbreaking layer of protection. Parking Assist. The XC60's Parking Assist Pilot takes stress-free parking to the next level. With a full 360-degree camera view and autonomous steering, the system can guide the SUV into parallel and perpendicular spaces with minimal input. Front and rear parking sensors, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new reverse automatic braking feature ensure you avoid any potential hazards when maneuvering in tight spaces. Price. The 2026 Volvo XC60 starts at around $48,000 for the base core trim, while the luxury Recharge Ultimate variant with all the bells and whistles can go up to $71,000. Considering its safety credentials, premium features, and plug-in hybrid capability, the XC60 offers outstanding value in the compact luxury SUV segment. Ending note. So there you have it. The 2026 Volvo XC60 is the perfect blend of style, sustainability, and substance. Whether you're seeking premium comfort, family-friendly practicality, or cutting-edge safety, this SUV checks all the right boxes. If you're into responsible luxury without compromise, this just might be your next ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more in-depth car reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Is the XC60 the future of premium commuting?